So in this short video, what I'd like to do is to just talk a little bit about the principles of working with Tibetan singing bowls or Himalayan singing bowls and the musical intervals. So this is where you've got two notes being played together to create either a harmonizing interval, which is very relaxing, harmonizing, or something that's a little bit more dissonant. And so this is the principle of intervals, is that you've got two notes being played together. And then also after that, I'll demonstrate playing three notes together in triads, as they're called. And each of these intervals and triads has different effects. And we do cover this in much more depth in our training courses, but it's just a very quick introduction to that. So what I'm going to do initially is just to play. So we've got all the bowls arranged around here, and these have all got the natural notes essentially. Ranging from a low C to a higher C. So that's 8 bowls there. And so it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And then there's also a higher G as well, which creates a lovely, lovely pattern. And so what I'm going to do is just demonstrate a few simple principles. I'm actually going to go from a low C to the G, which is a perfect fifth, it's very harmonizing, and then up to a high C. So we've got a low C and a high C, so that's an octave, that's also very harmonizing as well. So there's just harmonizing intervals in this case. So now I'm going to play the lower G, the higher C, and then a higher G as well. And so now I'm going to play the C major triad, which is the C, the E, and the G. So this is very good for migraines, headaches, eye complications, sometimes ear complications as well, and generally shifting those kind of patterns. So we'll just let those sounds die away. And then we'll do the D minor triad, which starts with an A, and then an F, and then the D. So this is very good for facilitating the process of transition, of change in a positive direction. It kind of clears old unwanted habits and patterns and allows for the new to emerge, particularly on an inner level. And just to further stimulate that release of old patterns, I'm going to introduce now the B and the C as a more of a dissonant interval up here. And then calm that down with the interval of a fourth, with the C and an F. So we'll just